How to create a Facebook business page. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually create a Facebook business page, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to create a Facebook business page, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all open Facebook, tap the three lines option from the top right, and then go to pages. Once you go to pages, you'll find all the pages that you have and you have access to in some way. Now to create your own page, you can tap the create option here. Now you can just see all the instructions and all the features of creating a page, and now you can tap the get started option. Simply give your page a name as per your liking over here, and once done you can tap the next option. And as you do that, you can simply go ahead and then enter any of the numbers that you prefer here. And once you've done that, in this case you want to simply select the categories depending upon what your page is all about, and then tap the create option. After you do that, your page will get successfully created. This way you can create a business page or a personal page on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.